So, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, in today's vlog, I'm gonna unbox my fourth adult toy. So, this is the one. Yan, it's a clit sucker. So, actually, I already opened it and it's a very late unboxing since I got this parang it was last July na nag-sale ng 7/7 and I want to be honest, I already used it, but before I shared my experience, so i-unbox muna natin. And tinanggal ko na siya sa plastic ng Lazada. And I think hindi na ako mag-uncut kasi I need to finish it for 8 minutes na dire-diretso without pausing this video. Kasi may dumadaang eroplano guys. So, kapag may dumadang eroplano, I have to pause this one and start all over again. Yan, parang may dadaan. Pero yan, bilisan na natin. So, disclaimer lang pala, this is not a sponsored video. And, I got this on 7/7 Lazada sale. Parang it was na lang from, I forgot the exact price. Lagay ko na lang sa comment. Parang it from 800, 500 plus na lang siya. Something like that. Parang 30% or 20%. So, ito siya. It's a rose-shaped flower, clit sucker. Ito, from the picture. So, ito siya guys. Since the day I used this, hindi ko pa siya pala charge ulit. So, ito siya. This is what it looks like. Ayan. Ayan siya. And the charger is look like this. Parang yung sa mga smartphone. Ayan siya. Ito yung mga charger niya. Yan. So, it's a USB yata tawag dito. And then, ito magnet. Parang yung sa phone na nabili ko na smartphone. Smartphone ba or I don't know the term. Huwag tayo mag-focus dun. So, yun na nga guys. I will share my experience about this. So yung iba nagtataka, paano ito gumagana on how I use this one. So, malakas siya humigo. Ito, ipapress natin. It's a long press. Yan siya. And then, it has parang, I don't know if it has 3 vibrators or yung level. Yan. So from the start when we push, so yun na yung level 1. Ito din level 2. 3. And then 4. Nagpo-pulse siya. 5. Yan. Kita yung loob. 5. 6. 7. I hope na naririnig nyo. 8. 9. 10. 11. Ang dami pala. 12. Kasi na ako nagpo-focus. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. Or paulit-ulit na lang yata ako. So, long press ulit kung papatayin nyo. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung ilan ba. Wala kasi siyang dito. Let's check if there is a guide. So, yun. Meron namang product manual. Pero yun lang naman, on and off. And, try kong basahin. Mabilis habang walang eroplano. So, yun nga. Frequency. So, ang kanyang frequency conversion is 1 to 10. Yun, mali ako. Lumagpas lang. Kasi, parang nag-start na siya sa number 1 ulit. Since I didn't press it na matagal. So, yun nga. Yung turn on, press sucking vibrator button for about 1.5 seconds to activate your product and start vibrating. Single click. Ayan. And then, for turn off, ganun uli. Button, press sucking vibrator button for about 1.5 seconds to turn off your product. And then, USB end, yun nga, USB end yung ano niya, charger. Tapos, the material is FDA silicone, ABS. So, I need to stop kasi may dadaan na aeroplano. So, moving on, wala na aeroplano. We're talking about the specification, guys, So, the size is 59 by 59 by 66 millimeter. Tapos, yun nga, the material is FDA silicone. Kaya, gusto ko to kasi safe. And, I don't know the meaning of ABS. And then, the function, it has 10 frequencies, yung vibration niya. And, the battery is 3.7 VL-ion battery. Magnetic charging. And then, it's 100% waterproof. Pero, syempre, iniiwasan ko mabasa yung ilalim nito. Ito. Kasi, diba, baka hindi na natin ma-charge or something. And, it weigh 124 grams. So, yan. Medyo mabigat na paano ko ba ma-explain. Yan. And, I think it has other color. Parang may purple ata to or red and pink. But, ito yung pinili ko. Kasi, I don't know why, but ko ito pinili. Wala pa yata akong red. I think this is red. Red yata to. Yan. And then, next one is, do not use product while charging. Kasi baka makuryente ang ano nyo, kipay. Sorry, guys. And, its charging process lasts about 75 minutes. So, please remember to cut off the power supply after charging full. Kasi, syempre, diba, baka ma-overcharge. And yan, may darating na naman na aeroplano, guys. So, moving on, the LED lights flicker and indicates that the product is charging. When it is fully charged, the light will stop blinking. And, nakalimutan ko, disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. Syempre, binili ko to, guys. It is for my own pleasure. Syempre, diba, I was married before. And, ayoko namang hanapin yung pleasure ko sa lalaki. Kasi, wala, parang masasaktan lang ako. So, I did it on my own. Kasi kaya ko naman. And then, nasa-satisfy na ako sa ganun without penetrating anything on my private part. Basta masaya ako na yung my clitoris is something nakikilite or ayan. So, dalawa na yung ano ko. This is my second clit sucker adult toy. And guys, this is really sucks like a human. So, dito is nasasatisfy talaga ako. And I would say na mabilis akong labasan. Kasi although, syempre, the difference is it doesn't have tongue. Pero what I did is para mabilis yung paglabas ng cum is ito, binabasa ko to ng lubricant and also my private part para yung friction is hindi masakit. Kasi yung frequency nito, hindi ko kaya hanggang number 10. Parang my favorite is number 2 lang. Hanggang dun lang. Number 3, parang masakit na. Masyado parang masyado na siyang nahihigop. So, dun lang ako sa number 2. And, para sa akin, hindi naman masama siguro gumamit nito. Dahil mga lalaki nga, 'di ba? They do also masturbate. So why not mga babae? Kasi I do have ano din naman, parang I do have still a feeling. So hinahanap-hanap ko pa rin 'yon, yung 3 letters, but I cannot do it with different man. I know a lot of men desiring to have that for me, pero I cannot kasi I respect myself. So, I think that is my final verdict and very fast vlog about this product. In medyo masalang yung topic, but we need to educate, or we need to be an open-minded most of these days, kasi tama na yung pagpapakamanang, tama na yung pagpapaka conservative, kasi yung anak ko nga meron na siyang meron na silang parang ano ba yung sinabi niya sa akin, sex education subject, meron silang ganon. So I am happy that open-minded yung anak ko. Mas may natututunan pa nga ako sa kanya, kasi before talagang taboo, it is a taboo when talking about sex. Sorry, na-mention ko. When talking about sex, and yun nga yung adult toy. So, I think that's it for today's vlog. And na-share ko naman na it's a very fast, what do you call this? It's a very quick and very fast experience. Yon, diba? But I cannot show you kung paano ko to gamitin. I'm so sorry, guys. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my future vlog. Bye, guys.